Hey guys, quick little update video here on the storage box. So last year I installed the Lippert solid steps and removed my old accordion stairs and installed their storage box. But one thing that was kind of a negative to me was the lock used the same key as a lot of other fixtures on RVs. A lot of other people have the exact same key. It's called a CH751. For example, my water fill has the same key, so I could take the water fill and a lot of people could open this box. So there was a guy in the comments that said he was selling some on eBay and gave me a link, so I ordered them up, and they've been kind of sitting in the rig for a few months because I had the skirting on. Now that I have the skirting off, I'm going to change this lock cylinder here. See here, I just got to get a wrench and undo that. I think it's a 10 mil. As far as his instructions say, and I can pull that out and change the cylinder. Okay, so here we go. Here's the replacement lock. The guy's name that sent it out was Ron. Thanks very much, Ron. And he also typed up a very thorough instruction here. I'll give you a link to his eBay shop. I see there's only 4 locks left. I don't know if he has any more. He kind of indicated these were some he had kicking around his garage. You can see the replacement lock is silver, so you could paint it or whatever. I don't care that it's silver, but it also has a little flap in it to protect from road grime and debris, whereas the one on the box didn't, so you know all kinds of junk can get in it. So it's pretty easy to change. What you have to do on these locks is there's a key at the top. You can see this thing is what holds it in place. So there's a little hole here. You kind of get a paper clip or something, and you can kind of see how I twist and that thing drops. So you can insert the lock and then you let go, and then the lock can't come out the front. He also suggests while you have it out that you lubricate it. I'm going to use some of this Bow Shield. It's waterproof protection. It doesn't have any solvents or anything in it. It kind of dries waxy and stays a long time. It's water resistant and all that. And it says right here guns, locks, etc. So I'm just going to do it while it's out here. I'm going to lubricate that new lock. So this thing here, same deal here. I'll just take the paper clip, or I just have a little thing for cell phones. Should be able to twist that and release it. There we go. And it just drops out. Oh, you can see already a little spider was in there. Oh, don't tell Ann. Ah! She hates spiders. Looks like it had a web or something in there. Yeah, that's where I had my babies, in your lock.
Get that out of here.
Okay, so that's the old lock out. First I gotta go and lube that. Okay, so we're gonna slide it back in. Just leave that in there. Take 2. Got her. So now you can see right there that that brass piece is on the edge there, so this thing can't be pushed out anymore. Let's flush in there. Try the key. There, that's locked. See, that piece can't push down. When it's open, then it can, and release. So let's go put her back in the box. One other tip he had in his instructions was on this bolt that holds the lock in place on the inside. is to put some Loctite on it before you assemble it. I do see that it looks like the factory must have put some on. I can kind of see some grayish stuff there. So right now I can't locate my Loctite, so to be on the little to-do list to do before we move anywhere. There we go, all back installed. Give her a try. Yep. Cool. I feel a little more secure in that if I want to put something worth some money into this box. I'll leave a link to the eBay page, like I say, and thanks to Ron for supplying this. But that just proves that you can find the cylinders. I think he got them for another project and had a bag of 20 or something. So they are out there. And I'm also going to update Lippert on this, so maybe they can think about having a different lock installed there that's not the old CH751 key. Till next time, Ray from loveyourrv.com. Thanks again for watching, folks. Have a great day.